dive deep into the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're taking an exclusive look at the 2025 Nissan Titan Warrior, a vehicle that redefines the boundaries of off-road capability and design excellence. The Titan Warrior 2025 is not just a truck. It's a bold statement from Nissan showcasing their unwavering commitment to adventure and exploration, with a design that's as rugged as the terrains it's built to conquer. The Titan Warrior is a testament to Nissan's dedication to pushing the envelope of what a full-size pickup truck can be. Under the hood, the Titan Warrior roars to life with a powertrain lineup that includes both gasoline and diesel engines. The gasoline engine delivers a robust 390 horsepower and 395 lb-ft of torque, ensuring that no mountain is too high and no valley too deep. For those who prefer diesel, the Cummins engine option provides around 310 horsepower and an impressive 555 lb-ft of torque, with recent reports suggesting a substantial torque boost in the new generation, potentially reaching up to 600 lb-ft. The transmission setup remains unchanged, with a petrol engine paired with a 7-speed transmission, while the diesel engine will be equipped with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. This combination ensures that the Titan Warrior has the power and finesse to tackle any challenge thrown its way. But the Titan Warrior isn't just about raw power. It's also about style. The 2025 model boasts a commanding stance and a distinct design that sets it apart from its predecessor, the Titan X. Both models share the same platform, but the Warrior variant stands out with its larger size and modern appearance, which is undoubtedly superior to the exterior of the Titan XD. Inside, the Titan Warrior is just as impressive. It's equipped with advanced technology that makes every journey a pleasure, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating through uncharted territory. The interior is designed to provide comfort and convenience, with features that cater to the needs of the modern adventurer. The 2025 Nissan Titan Warrior is more than just a vehicle. It's a companion for those who dare to explore new horizons. It's for the trailblazers, the pioneers, and the adventurers who seek a truck that can keep up with their relentless pursuit of the extraordinary. So, if you're looking for a full-size pickup truck that combines power, performance, and unparalleled design, look no further than the 2025 Nissan Titan Warrior. It's ready to take you on your next adventure, and with Nissan behind the wheel, you know it's going to be a journey worth taking. Thank you for joining us at Auto Analyst. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews and insights into the automotive industry's most exciting offerings. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries and exploring the world in your 2025 Nissan Titan Warrior. Drive on, adventurers.